So let's go over here and I'll create a little chart here. Looks kind of like one of our data tables. So does anybody, what was it the advantage that somebody saw to a bar chart? I heard some good conversation over here. Oh, Kobe.
Well, when you're trying to figure out a certain amount, a circle, like for a line graph, it's not like precise with the actual number. You could mean like, let's say like 43, but it's actually 45. A line graph, you can actually tell where the like one by
So
one.
on a line graph.
No, on a bar. On a bar.
So you think it's easier to tell?
Like tell what number they actually.
Like more accurate.
Yeah, more accurate. So it has to be.
Great. Okay, anybody else with a bar chart advantage? Leah?
You can more easily
Easier to see the difference? Anybody else a big fan of bar charts and why they prefer them? Alyssa?
Which you can see the jumps like higher or lower, and it's almost like you're taking a step to it.
Okay.
So you keep jumping.
So higher, lower is like taking a step, taking steps. You have more? Yes.
It might be like it's like easy to understand like the word.
You find it easier to understand? Okay. Okay. Is that kind of the same as easier to see the difference, maybe? Okay, we'll just put a little star there. So, I also saw a lot of line charts, and why do people prefer line charts? Karina?
Well, maybe because on a bar chart you can make it go up, but if it goes gradually up, you can actually show it on a line chart by going up like more that way. But if it goes rapidly up, you can just go straight up. On a bar graph, it'll just go up the same.
Okay, so you're finding it easier to read a line chart, especially when it's dramatic.
Yeah.
Dramatic tables. Okay. Easier to see dramatic, to see the changes. Okay. Hans, is there
not shaded as much.
not as much shading? Not as much. Okay, great. That's a great one. Not as much shading. So save your pencil, save your ink. Ursula.
I think both of them work if you do it correctly.
Can you?
I think both of them work if you do it correctly. And I don't think you do it correctly.
What do you think is wrong with the bar
I
graph?
think they should have shown their progress every 10 seconds, not in total going up. That's what
Oh, so you wanted to see, and I think would you like to show yours because that is what Annabelle did. Thank you very much. So that's kind of more of a difference bar chart as opposed to a total bar chart. Thank you very much. That's great. So that shows the step each 10 seconds. Max had a really interesting point. He chose a line graph and he had a very interesting point. Max, can you share with us?
You can kind of, it's more like what Paula said, it's pretty much what Paula said with the bar graph, but it's easier to tell because it's, instead of it being like this, it's like that, so you can see exactly where the point is. And
You said something else about like other points that might not be. What do you think? Oh, I thought you did. Okay, so you can see where every point is.
yeah.
Okay, great. Does anybody else have anything else that they like about a line graph? Jack?
Well, for line, we did manipulate the average and draw lines. They get into the average line like the average.
So you can use it to find an average.